Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today I have Hobby Lobby haul. So I finally got a chance to go and use my gift card that I won from Crafty Crafts by Dina here on YouTube. I won her Memory Decks challenge, and it was one of the prizes was a $25 gift card. But I also had a birthday gift card to spend, and I went today, and today they had the Christmas half off sale this weekend. I think today is the last day. Christmas were at 50% off, and so was the Paper Studios, and they were 50% off. They still had some Halloween stuff, and those were 80% off. I immediately grabbed some of these Jingle Bells, and they're all different jeweled colors. I was hoping they would have like pastel colors, but they didn't, so these will do, and I could just also spray paint them if I wanted to. I also grabbed the Christmas paper crafts, these little gingerbread men. They're stickers, and they're gems. They're hard like plastic. So I only grabbed one of these. In the little My Little Christmas section where they have all the miniature Christmas decorations, I grabbed one garland of the red beads. So I only bought one of that. Again, the Christmas paper crafts, I got a pack of their poinsettias, and it's red and white, and they have the little beads in the center, and these are very tiny. And again, with the gem stickers, they're pretty hard. I got one pack of the Christmas trees. This was $1.99 also. So there's a light green and the dark green. I picked up these, they're stickers again, but they're like, you know, the hats, the mitts, the skates, and they're so cute, and they will go so good on the embellishments that I want to create. And the other one I picked up, these are all dimensional, so this is puffy, and so are these. These are very cute houses. They're very detailed. Some have little snowmen, and some have the wreath on the door. Here they even have a nutcracker on some sleds, another snowman, but they're very cute. I love it. I did grab one of the packs of the girls, Hobby Lobby girls. So adorable. So I got a pack of those, $2.49. This one is $1.99, and this is more of the traditional colors of Christmas. Let me show you that. There you go. And they're transparent. See right through them. It's so adorable. Another $1.99 sticker pack is the Santa, the reindeers, the Christmas tree, all the little presents. I got one pack of these. I got a pack of the Stickabilities. These were $4.99. They're die cut stickers. There's 8 designs, 3 of each. There's a total of 24 pieces. So those are the pieces that we get, and they're good size pieces of stickers. I think that is going to be perfect right here with the traditional stickers. And the little Christmas, my Little Christmas, I picked up some of the glittered light bulbs. These are miniature ornaments, so they're really tiny, teeny tiny. And that will also be great for ephemera. More stuff I picked up, some felt candy canes. Some were the red stripe and some with the green. $2.99, half off. The My Little Christmas again. These are teeny tiny peppermint ornaments, and they got the little holes that you can hang them from. I hope that you guys can see. So they are glittered up to everything. I also found these little red bows at the My Little Christmas. They're very cute, very dimensional, but they're not stickers. They are, I don't know what they are. They have a little hole in the middle. So yeah, it's an ornament. I got that. There's 18 pieces in this. I picked up the Christmas crafts, the Christmas tree, and these are felt stickers. They're pretty thick. And they've already got the sticker on the back of it. So 10 pieces of the Christmas trees. And then they had these little gemstones. They're like little diamonds, but they're red. Yeah, 1.06 ounces. I got that. I also grabbed these teeny tiny little, I got two because they were so cute, cookie cutters. And there's some metal and plastic pieces. I got two of them, $2.99. I should open, I guess they're little, yep. That's what they look like. They look so cute, so realistic. I love it. And I guess you could just put them on a string and hang them up. But because they have a flat back, I figured those would be cute for decorations. I also grabbed some little sugared up candy canes, just like the peppermints. I grabbed those. I grabbed a pack of the snowflakes, glitter snowflakes. I did grab the felt stockings. You can make your own stockings. They come with the little red stocking already, and then they give you the cutouts, all the pieces that you need to decorate your stocking. It's already punched out off this glittered felt. I got a pack of those, and that was $4.99, and you can make 6 stockings out of that. And I got the gingerbread kit. It's the same as the stockings, and you just string the thread through there, and you can hang them up as ornaments. And this makes 6. Okay, I did grab 2 packs of the pine cones, but one is like the white and the other one is gold, like spray painted gold. I don't know if you can see that. A pack of the mini wreaths. There's 8 mini wreaths in there. And I grabbed the holly leaves. There's 12 pieces or 12 sets, because you can always pull these apart and use them separately. And then I grabbed a pack of the sequins. This is the large snowflakes, and then the large gold circles, and then the mini or the small snowflakes, and then the gold sequins. And I believe there's different sizes, or no, they're all one size. And then the silver circles and the silver sequins. So I thought that was a really cute set. In the Halloween section, they were 80% off, like I said before. So these were $2.99 each, minus the 80%. These are little spiders, some of them sitting on some clear spider webs. Let me grab something. Here we go. You can see the little spider web shadowing right here. And they have little pom-poms on their back. But I got 2 packs of those for Halloween next year. I found the candy corns, and I grabbed 2 packs of those. These were originally $2.99 also. And I grabbed 2 packs of the teeny tiny spiders with the gems, and I love that they're purple. These are so tiny, guys. Oh my gosh. So I grabbed 2 packs of those, and those were also originally $2.99. And then they had this, which was $3.99, and they're puffy. I love these stickers. Super cute, all ready for next year. And the last thing for Halloween, I grabbed the variety of pom-pom sizes. So there's black, green, orange, and purple. And there's 3 different sizes. That was originally $2.99. These were not on sale. These were originally priced $1.99. So I got the medium size and then the mini. So this is 1.27 centimeters. There's 125 pieces. And then this is 7 millimeters, and there's 225 pieces. These are super tiny. Look how tiny those are. So great for the traditional and the pastel because both are in there. I picked up a pack of 8.5 by 11 vellum, and I only picked up the clear. I just needed clear. And there's 10 sheets in here for $3.99. And because it was the Paper Studio, it was half off. And I got this box for $1.99, and that is what I used my 40% coupon on. So this I got for minus 40%. The Paper Studio Christmas paper pads, also 50% off. This is cardstock, and I got poppies and pines. These are little tulips, like Christmas colors in black and white. I love that. Pine cones with the red berries, the pink background, the ho ho ho. Jingle bells, I love that. That reminds me of way back in the day. Look at that, roses and pine cones. Joy, 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 Merry Christmas, ho ho ho. This one says Merry, 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 Merry. And I love that plaid. And then we have roses. And the pink packages, love it. Garlands, polka dots, Merry Christmas. Look at that. And I think this would look so pretty. Where did my girls go? With my girls, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Look at that. Super cute, guys. These will look so fabulous. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make some ornaments. And this has 60 sheets, 20 designs. They had their loose papers also on sale. It was 4 for $1, so I picked up 4. To me, this looks like a very pale pink. I don't know how it's coming up on camera, but I love all this graphics. I got 4 of these, and they're single-sided. And this is from Me and My Big Ideas. But this was also 4 for $1, so I picked up 4 of these. I picked up 4 of this paper, which we just saw in the paper pad, with the pale pink background and the presents. I picked up 4 of the Happy Always Merry Everything. Or Merry Everything and Happy Always something. But it's super cute with the little pale polka dots. I don't know if you guys can see that. The script is so pretty. So I picked those up. And then the last thing I got was this gigantic paper pad, Season's Greetings, 12 by 12. And I think this is cardstock. There's 60 sheets in here, 15 designs, so you get 4 of each. So and it's originally $16.99. Okay, it is cardstock. Look at this gorgeous paper with the pine and the magnolia, and I don't know what that is, and spruce and pine cones and all the berries. Very pretty. I love this pattern. It looks so great as background. Look at this. It is just gorgeous. It just reminds me of like the doodles that I used to do. So pretty, so simple. And then you have this green with script on it. I don't know what it says. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. It is just simply beautiful. And it's not a heavy cardstock, but it's a lot heavier than the single sheets that I had purchased. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I can just imagine. So I'm getting ready to do a traditional swap, and I cannot wait. Joy to the world, peace on earth. I can see me punching those out or fussy cutting it. It's so pretty. Look at these berries. Oh yeah, look at that. So pretty. I love it. This paper pad, I am not disappointed with this paper pad. They had the old traditional or antique Christmas, and I'm like, I think I already have a paper pad with all that, so this is something I do not have, so I went with this, and it's so pretty. Love it. Alright guys, so that is it for my Hobby Lobby haul. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy hunting, guys. Bye.